Hello library families! Miss Laura here from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library with another fun Family Fridays, joined by my children. A fun project to try outside as a family is gardening. We're starting some flower, herb, and vegetable seeds in containers that are naturally biodegradable, like toilet paper rolls and ice cream cones. Add your soil, seeds, and just enough water to wet the soil, but not soak your cone. In a few days, you should be able to see some sprouts, and then they will be ready to plant in a large container or in your garden. Gardening is a great way to get outside for some fresh air, play in the dirt, and reduce stress for the whole family. Check out thegardenerspath.com for some more activities for gardening with your children. You can share your gardening projects with us at the library by tagging us on social media or by emailing me. You just need some seeds, honey. You can email me at ljefffery@innisfilidealab.ca. Hope to see you all soon. Take care.